You know, interestingly, of course, we're seeing these live visuals coming in on the left-hand side of our television screens where polling is underway. We have a deputy editor with us, Kartikeya Sharma. Kartikeya, the NDA this time refrained from creating any controversy because it did seem something didn't go according to plan where the president's election were concerned, and the entire controversy raked up by the BJP pretty much boomeranged.
You see, the election of president and vice president generally revolves on one, interpersonal relationship, and secondly, the number your party has. Pranab Da, because of his interpersonal relationship, could see that Nitish's party voted for Pranab Mukherjee, Shiv Sena voted for Pranab Mukherjee, TDP abstained. So these issues become very important. Sometimes instead of attacking or damaging the opponent, you end up damaging your own stock. So this is the reason why he didn't want to repeat the experience of the presidential poll.
Alright, Kartikeya, stay on with us. Let's get a quick comment in by our associate editor, Atish Srivastava, also following the story very closely. Atish, we had just heard the comment coming in by Jaswant Singh, the NDA candidate. Very underconfident. All he said was, we'll see what it happens, pretty much signifying the mood in the NDA camp at present.
Well, exactly, Preeti. NDA is very well aware that they don't have the numbers. The numbers are not crossing more than 235. Which is nothing compared to almost 490 numbers which UP has. So it is something which is clearly written on the wall that India is not going to push through their candidates. Jaswant Singh will not be able to make through for the post of vice president. They wanted to fight, give a token fight. They wanted to fight just to give a signal that they're an active opposition party and just to test waters before 2014. And in both ways, they have majorly failed because as far as the support of BJD is concerned, they haven't got that. They did support BJD's candidate C.A. Sangma during the presidential election, thinking that BJD will do the same for the vice presidential election, but that hadn't happened. So they wanted to pose a fight just to prove they are an active opposition. That has failed. They are not going to be an active opposition because of this particular fight, because they did not fight it well. In fact, we can see that present election was still, there were controversies created by BJP. It became a talk of the town. Present election became murkier. So BJP was seen as an active opposition party, but not in the vice presidential election. And as far as the agenda of 2014, that is also miserably flawed because there is, apart from NDA, only Jayalalitha is supporting, otherwise no one else is supporting him.
Alright there, gentlemen, Atish Srivastava and Kartikeya Sharma, thank you for joining us. We of course leave it at that. We'll be getting back to you for further updates.